Today we are going to download the Aviris dataset. For that you have to open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Then you have to type Aviris Data Portal. Click on the first link. I will also provide you the link in the description below. Then this page will open up. Here you can see download KML layer file. Choose the year from which you want to download the dataset. For example, 2021. The KML file will download. Then you have to search for Google Art. Click on the first link. Then click on New, Local KML file. Import the KML file that you have downloaded. Wait for it to load. As you can see, there are so many red lines, red patches here. Zoom into one of your preferable red lines. For example, here near the coastal region. Click on the red line. A pop-up will show up. Here you can see download the orthogonal radiance data. You can also see the image by clicking on it in JPEG format. For downloading the data, go back to the previous page. Click on download orthogonal reflectance data. Here the download will start. I have already downloaded. I will show you what inside the zip file. Open the zip file. Here we have files in HDR file. You can visualize this file using Python or MATLAB. That's it. Thank you so much.